It's story time. Hello, little squirrel.
Wow, who's that going? Dom, 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 on the tree branch?
I'm the little squirrel, the forest's jumping king who loves to collect pine cones.
Where do you live?
I live in a tall tree hole with a soft, mossy bed inside. When the wind blows, it goes sha-sha-sha, like someone singing me a lullaby.
What do you like to eat?
I love yummy pine cones the most, and I secretly hide them away. Sometimes I hide too many, and forget where I put them.
What do you do during the day?
I hop and dash on the branches, whoosh whoosh. I race the birds to see whose shadow touches the ground first.
Are you afraid of anything?
I'm afraid of rainy days. If my pine cones get wet, I can't eat them. So I hold a leaf umbrella and run home, da-da-da, as fast as I can.
Well, goodbye, little squirrel.
Goodbye when autumn comes. I'll treat you to a crunchy pine cone pie.
Supernova hope burns bright. Delivery dreams.